Hey guys, welcome to another Inspirational Moments with Joy. So today we're going to do an object lesson. A lot of us are like this pot of water. We get to simmering with beautiful ideas, and we get to thinking, then we get to doing, then things start to move a little bit more, and we start to bubble up a little bit with excitement, with fresh ideas, with encouragement, with help. And sooner or later, we end up getting into a boil where our ideas and our dreams and our goals are starting to become reality. And as they become reality, we get hot, we get excited. But then one day, the excitement goes away, and the flame goes away, and that bubbling goes away. So I guess, guys, all I'm trying to say is don't let that encouragement disappear. Keep bubbling with desire, with, your encouragement, with your own creativity. Don't let your dreams die. Don't let them become stagnant. Let them boil up. Let them boil up. Let them boil up and let them catch fire. Let them be consuming. And if no one else can encourage or inspire you, you just got to do it yourself. Because like this pot of water, all we need is a little flame of encouragement to get the ball going. Keep bubbling, guys. Keep bubbling, keep bubbling, keep going, keep thriving, keep doing what you gotta do to be the best version of yourself, to make those ideas, those dreams become a reality. And when they start to simmer off and die out a little bit, just get a little bit more encouragement. Refresh yourself, recharge yourself so that you can come back better, stronger, harder. So those moments of when the encouragement and when all of the hoorays and everything else goes away, you still have that flame, that fire, and you're bubbling uncontrollably. So anyway, guys, if you ever want to get to know anything more about me, come on over to Hello World, where we talk about everything and anything. And if you want to get anything that I create, go to BeTheDifferenceLLC.com. But more importantly, never forget, your dreams are like this pot of water. Your goals are like this pot of water. Your life is like this pot of water. Whatever encouragement you need, just go after it. You got this, son.